What's up, you good-looking people? How you doing? I'm just joking, no offense. I actually take the easy, tripping road with a little butterscotch nut. My nutty nuts are kind of frostalized. I actually, when I was a little kid, I was 6 years old, I actually saw Satan in the window. And personally, I think that's where I got my talent, is when I saw the fear, and I went back to my bed and slept. I didn't go outside and meet him and stuff, so I could have been an evil person, a roaming piece of birdie turd on top of a skillet. No offense. Like a man in a Cadillac fire. Burn me! Ashes. You know, when Ash and Pokemon have sex, it's a little bit more pokebolic. Right? Pokebolic. Anyways, God is a very good person. I can tell he's a very natural speaking, spoken person. I don't want to bottomless a spirit or a special need of this so-called discussion. But I think God really is great. I mean, don't you look around, there's rainbows everywhere. There's grass, there's nature, there's birds singing. Did you know the birds that sing God melody, which means have a good morning, have a good day? Did you understand that? Because you can tell, I could tell by the reaction of those birds, they're very happy to see you. They may peck at you, they may eat your eyeballs, and disgusting, but it's awesome that they actually sing to you in the morning, like a chirping fella. No, a chirping big yellow fat bird with a chicken called Sesame Street, my big old chocolate nuts, and a sprinkling dish. Anyway, so if you're gay, if you're a killer, if you're a mother freaker, then you're not going to actually collapse in God's world unless you pray to Him and believe in Him. And that's the reason why maybe the world might end, because I actually do kind of, I can understand we're running out of money, we have not much stuff, we're all about evil, serious, roaming garbage. I mean, I gotta be fun, man, on my photos. I thought everybody likes that, but not everybody likes it. It's like, serious. Yeah, I may have a little serious issue, I may get mad and stuff, I may be sad, but I always cheer up. I want to. Because I have to cheer up. I just have to. Because if I didn't, I would be an idiot. I wouldn't be making this video right now. I see everything. The blue skies, the trees. How can a magic actually make it? See, let's just take fire, for example. Remember the cavemen actually did that? They thought of that first. See, you people think of the kingdom days, and they thought of it first. See, it's other different theories, but, what if you take that magic spell, and how did they do it? What was rock made out of? How did actually they go to make fire? And, other magical spells. It's not from magic, everybody, because I know. Rocks came from the earth. God made the earth to be water, rock, land, and covered with a great masterpiece sacrifice to our nature hearts. That is why animals eat people, because they're hungry and they deserve to be eaten, because maybe some of their lives are just tossed with a negativity field. Maybe they're stuck up and don't care about people. They may be nice in fake and acting way, but they could be unpleasant, and that's why God makes the animals eat them. I put my address, my phone number, and no killer has came up to me and said, I'm going to chop your head off with a little handkerchief. I'm serious. I actually put my phone number and my address 2 weeks. And I don't see no one because God don't want them to kill me. You see what I'm saying? And if they do come over, I'm going to beat the crap out of them, alright? I'm going to take my fist, I'm going to punch it up my big old butter ass cheeks and pull out a shotgun and shoot their mothers. And even a frisket their frisket fat brother in a chocolate Twinkie, or the needle napstick, right? Needle napstick, you get it? When he naps on a big old crunching taco stick. But anyways, I just wanted to say that because God is number one. He is number one! He is number one! I don't believe in Jehovah's Witness. I don't believe in other religions. I just don't. That's a tough spiritual phony lie. It's like people don't really see outside the world. You have to stick in your computer, act like a little boner, and thinking you're like a housemaid wife with a big old luxury tits. No offense, I like the lunch special those. Give me your number. I'll just go. That was satanic move. The powerful need of God is just great, guys. You gotta get out there, man. You gotta see why God is real. My wife, I never met her, and me and her are very alike. So how can magic really make us together? See, that's the problem you guys are not understanding. Have you looked in a heart? Have you actually studied a heart? Have you actually seen that it's very different? And have you actually experienced all the emotions in the heart? How can magic do that? Answer me. Do you got laid out facts? Let's just talk about something for another one reason. Okay, when neutrons are not electrified, that means it's not eternal. God actually made all that. Now, if it was eternal, well, that's different, because that was just a different kind of artificial fact. And then I have to believe in that religion. And I'll be in savaging pain and hurting, roaming. And then a death spike's going to go on my head, and my head's going to be chopped off for 30 seconds. But us, we'll be roaming around the clouds, flying and springing around and seeing heaven golden hot dogs. That is called faith, masterpiece of love in our specialty hearts. You think the world's going to live forever, and you don't understand. You die 100 years. Yes, they may have a little medicine to make you, get up more, but it's not going to work all the time. You gotta die, and it's better that way. Why would we want to stick around this world anyways, man? Heaven is freaking awesome, man. It's like better than this. It's like affinity better than this. Affinity better than this. That is saying a lot. So you think in Mario Brothers right now, the Wii U's awesome. How about you play Mario Brothers Heaven? Or Mario Brothers God over a Superstar Angel. Yeah, 30 years and actually just can't even beat the level. Manor Entertainment World, but it has to actually bond with their special happy feelings. But it won't have horror movies. It won't have evil stuff. I'm talking about the good stuff. God will actually have a layout of Mario. Because I can see why Mario is so popular, if you get what I'm saying. If I die, I did my dream, I did my Dunning process work for your comedy hearts. How about I eat you like the little Red Riding Hood? So what do? What do you believe? Believe in God, or you're gonna be suffered in a trick stracky of a pain.